hands. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Unice hair again. So let's get into the wig that we got. Well, let's see the goodies first. So I did get this edge brush and comb. I got a elastic headband and a pair of HD wig caps. This is today's wig that we're working with. It's Unice's chestnut brown ombre yaki straight 7x5 pre-cut lace closure wig. It has a drawstring and it's bye-bye knots as well. As you can see, it's everything, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. This is how the inside of the wig cap looks. It has an adjustable elastic band. It has 2 adjustable straps in the back, and of course the drawstring which has 2 knobs. So you have the first one which you can adjust how tight you want that wig to be, and then you have the second one which is smaller, which actually locks that in place and helps it to stay secure. So this is the wig. As I said, it's an ombre brown vibe. It is yaki straight, so it has that natural look to it and feel as well. I absolutely love that. I went ahead and slipped it on, and first thing I went on to doing was actually adjusting the elastic band in the back. Pretty easy, very straightforward. You want to just stick your comb inside, and then as I said, you pull the first knob down, all right, so you can, you know, adjust the wig in place how tight you want it to be, and you use a smaller knob to actually lock that so that it doesn't slip. And then I just take the string and conceal it beneath the actual wig cap, and that's it. Very beginner friendly, so you don't have to worry about having any help to do this. Even if you don't have any experience with installing wigs, you can put this on your own, okay? Yeah. And then I proceeded to cut away any extra lace that I saw in the front that didn't have any hair strands on it. This helps to minimize any cast that might be in the hairline. We don't want that. You know, I feel like minimizing the cast by cutting away any piece of lace that doesn't have hair actually makes things look more natural, rather than leaving it and then trying to apply foundation or powder to it. That's just me though. So that's how it looks once I cut away the excess lace in the front.
Every time you hold me, take me high.
I proceeded to get my face powder, and I just, you know, now I conceal any other cast that is left on the hairline.
Got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Then I pretty much move on to showing you guys how much space there is in the lace closure portion, so you could go ahead and switch up the styling if you please. You could do a side part, you know, you could do like, you could probably add braids in the front if you wish, you know. And I did actually proceed to styling this wig 3 different ways, you know, just so that you guys probably can have some inspo.
No, I'm never letting go, now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show.
So the first look I did was like a mid half up, half down. So I gathered a bit of the hair in the middle portion there, and pretty easy, guys. Again, you don't need much experience to do this. You could go ahead and do this on your own and it looks good. Okay, so that was look number 1.
You do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher,
And then look number 2, I pretty much got 2 little pieces of, you know, bangs in the front, and I wanted to do a next half up half down look, but as you can see, there are different variations of half up half downs. Okay, it's not just one way to do it, but the beautiful thing about this is the way that it's done. You think it's a closure, it's a lace front wig, but no, this is a full-on closure wig. But the way that they construct it makes it look like it's way more, you know, so I absolutely love that. And then for the final look, I just pretty much kept it in its center part vibe. I used my PS Lux wax stick to get everything nice and super laid so that it looks very flat. You guys know that's just me when it comes down to my wigs. I do not like wigs looking bulky whatsoever. It needs to be laid and really nice and flat. So I just went in with my hot comb, and then I proceeded to go through the entire wig with my flat iron just to have that nice bone straight look. There you have it. That's how the wig turned out. It's like butter, literally. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box. Yeah, any deals, any sale going on, it will be listed. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.